Hello student, today we will do question number A and B of question number 1 from exercise 3A, Concise Mathematics class 10. So without a further ado, let's get started. The question number A, choose the correct answer from the option given below. The money required to buy 50 rupees 20 share at 10% premium is here nominal value. Nominal value is A. Is equal to rupees 20. Market value of one share equal to at premium this share is being sold, so one market value of one share will be 20 plus 100 this 0, this 0, this 0, this 0 means 20 plus 2 means rupees 22. So market of 50 shares, 50 shares like to 50 into 22 is equal to this 1100 rupees. So second option is right. Now see question number B. The money required to buy 50 rupees 20 share at rupees 10 discount means nominal value of one share equal to rupees 20. Discount is 10%. Discount is equal to rupees 10. So market value of share is equal to 20 minus 10 equal to rupees 10. So of 50 shares is equal to 10 multiplied 50 is equal to rupees 500. This is so this option is right. I hope you must have understood the solution today up to here. We will meet in the next session with next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.